Want to unlock the power of day trading? Here's how to enable it on Robinhood the right way. First, open the app and log into your account. Then tap on the account icon here at the top right corner. Go to Settings and tap Account Types. Before proceeding, make sure your account is verified to access these features. To qualify for day trading, your account must be a margin account with at least $25,000 in equity. That's the PDT rule. If you are below that, you will be flagged as a pattern day trader after 3 day trades in 5 days. To enable full day trading, upgrade to Robinhood Gold and maintain the $25,000 minimum. You can request a reset of the PDT flag once per 90 days if you get flagged by mistake. Are you already day trading or just getting started? Share your setup in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.